So, veteran analyst Pablo Gil is sounding the alarm on NVIDIA and is warning it could affect all of us.
Get this, NVIDIA just lost a staggering 20% of its value in just 1 month.
So here's the big question. Is this just a healthy dip, or is a massive crash just getting started?
For a long time, NVIDIA was basically untouchable, the undisputed king of AI chips, right? But now, a serious challenger has entered the ring, and they're aiming right for NVIDIA's crown.
Yeah, even huge players like Meta are now looking for an exit, a way to get out from under NVIDIA. Okay, so if we follow the money, the official story starts to fall apart. Let's dig in. The story they're telling us? We can't make chips fast enough, and that story has sent the stock soaring. But what are the company's own numbers telling us? That's where things get really interesting.
Well, inventory is way up and chip prices are dropping. That doesn't really sound like a scarcity problem.
And here's the scary part. If NVIDIA wobbles, it could start a massive domino effect across the market. Just look at this. The Magnificent Seven alone make up a third of the entire S&P 500's value.
And get this, their growth accounts for half of all recent U.S. economic growth. Half.
So if these few stocks fall, it could trigger a sell-off that hits everyone's investments hard. Okay, so what do we watch for? Pablo Gil points to some critical tripwires on the charts.
First up, for NVIDIA itself, the number to watch is 164. That's the key support level.
If the price breaks below that, it could trigger a much deeper correction for the stock.
And for the whole Magnificent Seven group, the big tripwire is the 340 level on their index.
A drop below that, it could kick off a really painful sell-off for pretty much everybody.
Look, the game is changing. Hype isn't enough anymore. Investors want to see actual, real profits now.
So it's not about whether AI is the future. The real question is, are these insane valuations sustainable?